Welcome to Healing Horizons, the podcast where we explore the potential of alternative therapies in providing profound healing and transformation. I'm your host, Chris Daniels. Today, we dive into a topic of remarkable importance and urgency, exploring the transformative impact of Ibogaine therapy on veterans suffering from PTSD. In this episode, we'll discuss the unique challenges faced by veterans and how Ibogaine therapy in Mexico offers new hope and healing for those grappling with the lingering effects of trauma and mental health struggles. We'll unpack the science behind this psychedelic, explore its traditional origins, and share personal stories of resilience and recovery from our brave veterans. Let's begin by acknowledging the significance of addressing PTSD in our veterans. Post-traumatic stress disorder is a severe mental health condition triggered by experiencing or witnessing traumatic events, and veterans are among those most affected. The intensity of combat, the suddenness of life-threatening situations, and the prolonged exposure to stressful environments can leave lasting emotional scars. These experiences can lead to nightmares, flashbacks, severe anxiety, depression, and a host of other debilitating symptoms, interfering with daily lives and relationships. Conventional treatments, such as cognitive behavioral therapy and medication, have not always been effective for everyone, leaving many veterans searching for alternative paths to healing. This brings us to Ibogaine therapy, which has emerged as a beacon of hope for many struggling with these challenges. Ibogaine is a naturally occurring psychoactive substance derived from the root bark of the African tabernanthe iboga plant, traditionally used in spiritual ceremonies by the Bwiti people of Gabon. Its journey from indigenous ritual use to a tool in modern neuropsychiatry is fascinating and complex. Its potential to interrupt addiction, ease trauma, and provide psychological clarity has sparked interest worldwide, leading to treatment centers emerging, particularly in regions where such therapies are legal, like Mexico. Now, let's hear the personal stories of some veterans who have undergone Ibogaine treatment in Mexico, shedding light on their experiences. John, a former Marine, shared his journey from experiencing crippling anxiety and sleepless nights to regaining emotional balance and clarity. After traditional therapies offered limited relief, John explored Ibogaine therapy, which he describes as a deeply introspective experience that brought forgotten traumas to the surface, allowing healing to truly begin. Veterans often report a newfound sense of peace, emotional relief, and improved coping mechanisms post-treatment. These stories exemplify the profound effects that Ibogaine can offer to those shackled by the chains of PTSD. How exactly does Ibogaine help in alleviating PTSD symptoms? Scientifically, Ibogaine's impact on neurotransmitter systems plays a key role. It acts on serotonin and dopamine receptors in the brain, promoting neuroplasticity and possibly helping to reset disrupted patterns of thinking and emotional balance. Additionally, Ibogaine's ability to facilitate a profound introspection allows individuals to revisit and reformulate traumatic memories in a safe and supportive environment, which can be vital in overcoming the effects of PTSD. This introspective aspect, combined with its neurochemical actions, helps in achieving a comprehensive healing experience. When we compare Ibogaine therapy with traditional PTSD treatments, the differences are striking. Unlike daily medication regimens and long-term therapy sessions, Ibogaine treatment typically involves a single, intense session, sometimes followed by booster sessions that can catalyze lasting changes. Some may consider Ibogaine's psychedelic nature a drawback, yet for many the therapeutic breakthroughs achieved during these sessions far outweigh the challenges. However, it's crucial to note that Ibogaine is not a standalone cure, but part of an ongoing healing journey, often supported by aftercare programs, counseling, and lifestyle changes. Of course, we must also address the common misconceptions and concerns surrounding Ibogaine treatment. Some fear potential risks associated with its use, as Ibogaine can affect heart rate and blood pressure, making medical supervision paramount during administration. In Mexico, experienced treatment centers emphasize safety and rigorous medical evaluations, ensuring that candidates are suitable and ready for the therapy. Furthermore, the stigma associated with psychedelic therapy is gradually diminishing as more research underscores its benefits and safety when administered in controlled, supportive settings. For those veterans considering Ibogaine therapy, Resources and support systems are available to guide them through this transformative journey. Many treatment centers in Mexico offer comprehensive programs that include pre-treatment counseling, medically supervised sessions, and post-treatment integration support. It's important to engage with these professionals and understand the scope of the therapy, its potential impacts, and how it fits into broader wellness and recovery plans. Reflecting on the potential of Ibogaine therapy, it's inspiring to see its ability to transform lives and foster healing beyond conventional methods. By addressing both the physiological and psychological facets of trauma, Ibogaine offers a holistic path to recovery, potentially revolutionizing how we approach PTSD treatment. For veterans who have given so much, finding effective treatment options like Ibogaine could mean regaining control over their lives and rediscovering a sense of purpose. As we wrap up this episode, I invite listeners to share their feedback and personal stories related to Ibogaine therapy and healing journeys. We hope that today's conversation has provided valuable insights and inspiration, encouraging a deeper exploration of Ibogaine's potential in treating PTSD. Thank you for tuning into Healing Horizons, where we continue to enlighten, inspire, and explore alternative paths toward healing and transformation. Until next time, I'm Chris Daniels, wishing you peace and well-being. Remember, healing is a journey, and it begins with a single step forward.